Always enjoy hearing them laugh. Thank you, Your Holiness. Okay, I'm going to move on to find specifically text about the conflict. I mentioned I'm reading TV news or watching TV news, reading the news lately, a pastime that I can cope with less and less as I've gotten older. I often think we as humans have great potential, yet our largest accomplishment, so-called, is slaughtering each other. And American gun rights to me is also, I consider it both terrorism and a genocide. The Israeli-Palestinian conflict, I call the conflict without end, or the never-ending conflict, is one among many conflicts worldwide. Last Wednesday evening, I watched BBC World News America on PBS TV, and they reported an estimated 11,000 children have died in Gaza since October. I'm not going to mention who, but two Israelis, neither of whom I'm Facebook friends with now, and one of them I've known for 50 years, something college, and I visited him and met his parents and so on during at least the first 4 of my 7 Israel teaching trips. Outraged that by expressing any sympathy for the displacement and plight of the Palestinians. A tragedy of the Israeli-Palestinian violence, to me, is that so many people on each side, due to their supporters elsewhere, who profess to be pro-Palestinian, quote-unquote, or pro-Israeli, quote-unquote, only view one side as victims. I believe neither side of outside supporters are pro-anyone, as unless one supports both peoples, then one is not supportive of the side they claim to support. I'll address this again further on with a quote from someone I met during one of my trips.